Hey, this is Elliot from Elliot Y Gun Co. And this is the quietest ammo you've ever heard with the greatest setup you've ever seen. Today, we have our full custom CZ457 22 NRL competition and target rifle. It's got a Huxworks 22 titanium suppressor. We have an array of ammunition from loudest to quietest. We've got the 1270, we've got the 1050, 790, 590, and then the beautiful 420 feet per second with a whopping 4 foot-pounds of energy, the quietest ammo out of the quietest setup. Let's shoot it and see how it does.